Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. To unpair this watch from the Android phone, first we need to open the settings on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's find the settings icon and tap on it to open the settings. Once you open the settings, find the connected devices or Bluetooth option, depending on the version of Android. So tap on connected devices, and here you should see list of the devices connected to your phone via Bluetooth. And as you can see, we have the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic right here. Once you find it, tap on it, tap on forget, and tap on forget device. Now we can open the Galaxy wearable application, and you will see that the watch disappeared from the app, which means that the watch is disconnected from our phone. And just to make sure, you can wake up the screen on your watch, open the quick panel, and on the quick panel you will see that the icon of disconnected from phone will appear, which means that the watch is disconnected from a phone. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.